clever and useful they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the exit. His marks are worth his points. No, don't panic. I'll just... So you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. You're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. Ooh, that was close. Oh, you found my missing strings. Let's be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Hold on. Dragonfire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Ruddy lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.